Hey everyone, good morning. I'm gonna give you a tour dito sa Airbnb na pinagstayhan namin. So very affordable and maganda yung place, guys. Sulit doon sa binayaran namin. Okay guys, so this is the front door ng room namin. So ayan, sobrang safety kasi meron talaga siyang lock. And then we use key card. And then on the right side, meron lang ulit na hanging rack. So dito namin yung mga gamit namin, and then yan, may mga ilagay na kami mga gamit namin, luggage. So very malit lang siya pero ma-utilize mo siya. Baka lalo na kapag may mga gamit ka like ganito, dresses ko, pulong hats, kailangan. So yeah, and then on the left side meron lang dalawang table. Ayan, dito sa gilid may provided silang dalawang coffee mug. Then may coffee. Ito binili namin to. And then this one sa akin din to. Piniram namin doon kila auntie. Tapos kahapon, bumili kami ng counting chips kasi may mga gagawin kami work related. So yeah, para may mga makain. And then this one, laptop ni Habs. And then dito yung mga abubot ko. Yung mga makeup ko, mga gamit ko. So nilagay ko na dito. And then, this is my laptop. So, ayan. May ginagawa lang ako. I'm making my portfolio for next year ready na. So, and then, meron lang vanity mirror. Pero, akala ko yung umiilaw-ilaw, hindi ba? So, yeah. This is the whole working table. Ayan. Dalawa. So, sa ito, tig-isa kami ni Habs. And then, next to the working table, this is the CR. Ayan. Basta yun. So, this is the toilet. And then, excuse the t-shirt ni Habs. So, ito yung sink. And then, we have hot and cold shower. So, malaki na yung, ano nila guys, malaki na yung CR nila. That's the hot and cold shower. Ayan, very spacious. So, this is the shower area, the sink, and the toilet. So, yeah. Malinis siya. That's it. Okay lang. And then, next is our bed. So this is a queen size bed, I think. So tamang-tama kasi dalawa kami ni Hans. And then here we have maliit na bedside table, tapos may dalawang drawer. Dito namin nilagay yung mga important things namin. And tapos may dalawang outlet here inside ni Hans. Tapos andun yung maliit na ref. Ayan. So, kahapon dito siya nakalagay. Tapos, in-arrange namin. Dito lang nilagay sa gilid. Tapos, may heater lang sila kasi may coffee mug na not-provide tapos coffee. Tapos, kahapon, bumili na lang din kami cup noodles para if gusto namin kumain ng cup noodles. Ayan. And then, with our ref, walang laman ng freezer kasi wala naman kaming lutuin. Hindi din pala dito pwede magluto, guys. I mean, walang lutuan. So, yeah. And then, mamili lang kaming kali, as usual, our favorite. And then, cheese para sa bread. Ayan. If gusto nyo magluto, siguro, I don't think, if you want longer stay, siguro, pwede kayo magkaroon ng luto. Wala silang provided na luto. And then, here's the air conditioner. Ayan. Ano to? Operated. I mean, to turn off and on using the keyboard. And then, my favorite, most favorite, it is, wala, hindi pa masyadong maganda yung kasi construction pa yung nasa front niya. Pero look at this, guys. Ganda, diba? Ganda. Akalain mo naman, nasa, nasa city center. So, nasa front siya ng Qualcomm, tapos beside City Mall ng Dumaguete. And then we paid 800 a day in here. Tapos may 500 plus lang na Airbnb fee. So yeah, sulit na guys. If you're going somewhere in Dumaguete and looking for accommodation, you can book this Airbnb for a very affordable price. So that's the end of our tour. You can find this apartment in Airbnb or maybe booking.com. So that's it. See you later.